Hello, it's me.
Hi, and welcome back. So I know it's been a while since, my face has graced the place in the space. Bars.
Boy, if you don't get...
It's been a little over a year. I have had a lot, going on. Getting established in my job, trying to create work-life balance, and I've done a lot. Like, I cut my hair, and I'm coming to you with my scarf, but I am, gonna take it off for the later part of the video. However, I had to lay my stuff down. I'm straight off of work, and my hair was curling up. Was doing what it does, so I laid it down a little bit and I threw my scarf on, but I wanted to just get on here. This is real raw, whatever. But yeah, I was gone for
been gone for a minute, now I'm back with the jump off.
All right, yeah, I have a lot to cover for the tiny community that enjoys hearing my voice and seeing me act my normal fool self. Hi, I've been gone, and I've seen some of the comments that some of you guys have left me on my past videos, and even like to my Instagram page, and have even hit me up on my Tumblr. Y'all track the girl down. But hey, here I am. I'm just waiting for some things to be delivered to me, come in the mail, and today I actually got my first package that I was waiting on in today's video. What I'm bringing to you today is a mini little haul. So I spent some cash money, and this was a random buy. So I went and I got some things off the good old FN.
Outside hanging out the window with my wretched ass friends. Go.
Fashion Nova, not FNF. I mean, we are FNF if you want to be real about it. But the good old FN got me a couple little outfits or whatever. I'm actually really excited for this. Sit down.
Sit your $5 ass down before I make change.
I'm joking. Come up. Say hello. Another thing, the last time you guys saw my dog, he was a baby, and now he's a big boy. So no licky. All right, get down. Have a seat. But yeah, I'm actually really excited about these because it's been a minute since I've bought clothes or anything like that. The girl has been fluctuating up and down with the weight, so I'm really hoping that these things fit the way I want them to fit. But I will be showing you guys these little pieces. I had another item that I wanted to come with this, but I bought it from a different place, so of course I'm still waiting for it to actually be shipped because I bought it from a person. I did not buy it from like a wholesale website or anything like that. So unfortunately, that piece did not make it in this mini haul, but I will be showing y'all those because I'm super excited for these. I have been trying to get my hands on this particular pair of shoes for a long time. For a very long time, and I finally got them in my size. So yes, if I have to, I will get on here and do a little 5-10 minute yang about this one little piece. So let's go ahead and get on into this. I forgot my scissors, so give me a minute because I gotta cut this open. All right, so I got my nifty little scissors. So we're gonna cut this open. Back up. I'm hoping I don't accidentally cut a piece of, clothing. One time I cut it open into one of these packages and I cut a sleeve of something. this. Oh my god, I forgot. Oh, I completely forgot one of the items that I bought. So they're these, and they're the teddy bear slippers. Oh my god. Ah! I forgot I even bought these. Let me see. Oh my god. Ah! Back up, this is not a toy, and if I catch you chewing on these, I'll beat your ass. Ah! Move, 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 move. Oh my god. Ah! Back up. They're so cute and comfy. Oh my god, now I don't have to steal anybody else's slippers. These are actually really, really comfortable, but what? All right. I'm so excited for these. Oh my gosh. And they're so comfortable too. Ooh. Oh, I don't know how I forgot that I bought those. Completely cute. It's cute. And I'm also gonna, you know, while I'm going through these pieces, also like post the actual picture on like what it looked like on the site, so that you guys can get an idea before I actually go into putting it on. Or maybe I should do that side by side when I put it on. I don't know, whatever. So what is this one? This one, ooh, okay. I love me a little low-rise skirt moment. So this one I thought was really cute. Oh my god, I hope this one fits. It's like kind of like the Nike Tech fleece material, zip up, not a hoodie because it doesn't have a hood on it, but it is like a sweater kind of. Oh, okay, well another sweater part's gonna fit me, but I got a little hip going on. So I hope that the skirt portion should fit. It should fit me. Oh my god, good. This has shorts in it. Yes, so the booty won't pop out. All right, that's one. All right, now the next one, I got two of these. I got one in this tan color, and then I got one in the, you know, like the standard gray sweatsuit color. It is this one has a hood on it, so it's the, come on girl, get it together, kind of like hoodie corsetish-ish top. It's very low cut in the front, and it's got matching leggings with it. That's that one. And what's this? Okay, this is, it's actually not standard gray, because you know standard gray is like the first piece I showed you. This one is like charcoal. And I think, I don't know. I lean more towards the darker thing, so I think I might like this one better. I don't know. You don't know. You don't know. You know what I'm saying? And then of course it's got the leggings with it. And I believe I got all of these things in size small, except for that the skirt set, because every time I buy something, I read the product details, which is what exactly it's made of, like what fabric, and it didn't really say it had a lot of stretch. So I got that in a medium, which actually looked like a good idea because, yeah. All right, and I got me next. I got me a pair of like, I think they're called contractor jeans. Love me a good jean moment. I do. So I got these, and they've got the big slits in the kneecaps. I like those. They are straight leg, and I must say, every pair of jeans I've gotten from Fashion Nova, even if they were a little bit too big on me at first, over time with me washing them, they now fit to me, and they even have a little bit of stretch to them. And this is what I'm saying and why I got them in the size that I did, because they look really big here, but I have I got some thighs, and I got a little hip on me. That's on my hip on me. But yes, so I'm excited about those. I love to wear these because they give just enough baggy moment, but enough hug your curve moment. So I like those. I hope y'all don't hear my stomach growling during this. Wow, I didn't realize I got so much shit. Oh my god. Okay, this piece. Oh my god. This one I was also really excited for, and I got this in a medium too because I looked at the reviews on it and they were like it really rides up in the booty part. If you got a little shelf, little hump back there, it rides up in the booty part. But last year I got really obsessed with pleated mini skirts, and when I saw this I was like, I gotta have that one. So this one, a little leather moment. Oh, I cannot wait to style this. Yes, this one. Now you gotta be careful buying things of this material from Fashion Nova. But I bought a half and half. It's a leather jacket, but I got it really big because I wanted it to have that really baggy feel. It's half white and half black leather. I had to take that jacket to the dry cleaners. It came with like a fishy smell to it. And at first I was just, what is this? But then I had bought like a regular size fitting leather jacket. At first with the oversized one, I thought that maybe, you know, I don't know, maybe it was just this one. Maybe this one was sitting in the warehouse for too long. I don't know. But all of the other products that I've gotten from Fashion Nova that have been of this material have had a fishy smell to it. And no, stop it. I don't know what that is, but y'all need to get that together. But this one doesn't smell like it. So okay, maybe you guys are doing, maybe you're doing a little bit better. I think maybe. I can't wait. Ooh. I don't know why it seems like I have so much stuff in here. What is this? Oh. So I got this. It's really stretchy, but it's a romper and it is cut out in the middle. So I'm feeling like we're gonna need some tapes there, maybe. All right, I'm excited for that one too. New clothes make everybody happy. I don't care what they say. Even if it's socks, undershirts, and long johns. I know somebody that got happy off of those. Yeah. I know I probably said I was excited about every single item that I've pulled out so far, but I think I'm most excited for this one, especially just to see how it fits on me. It's supposed to be sexy. This one is a catsuit, and it is made out of that material, like those viral booty leggings that make your booty look extra big. So it's a long black bodysuit, and of course, you know, it got the little zip moments. You skip it halfway, all the way, zip it back up, you know. All right. Woo. I'm excited. All right, so now that we have gone through the items in my package, we're gonna get to the trying it on. the modeling, going on, that type of thing. So I'll be back. I'll be back looking a little less ratchet because of course then I would have taken my scarf off. And then also would be the reveal of my bald head, you know. So I'm back and back for the outfit. Back for the outfit reveals, and then my hair reveal. Okay, do you see her? Do you see her? I honestly love my hair short. I love my hair long. If I had to choose between the latter, which I like better, of course it's gonna be long. But my hair short is so cute. Now we're just gonna get through it, and I'm just gonna bring you guys' outfits. I feel like Scuba Steve, like sucked up in this thing, but this is you.
Sometimes I get tested, these hoes on the play, but I keep it together. You know that you get what you want when you selfish. I pick you up, you can slash in the back. As long as you tell me it's mine, I'm possessed. I know how you like it, I'm all in your head. I'm embedded in your bed, let's till we crash the connection. I got a thing for you. The way that you do it, you do make it hard to go out of range from you. You know what time it is. I'm on your line again. Pull up in 5, I throw you the vibe. You show me the things I